Hello, hello everyone. Brittany here from VivaciousViews.com. In today's video, we are headed to eat some awesome seafood at Crab Du Jour. We're over here at Cherrydale in Greenville, South Carolina. We were doing some shopping and this is a new restaurant that we are very excited to try. So come along on this food adventure with us. At the end of our video, we are announcing our Shark Week giveaway winner. We are very excited for this giveaway and we can't wait to announce the winner, so stay tuned. It's a really cool entrance, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, sorry. I was like, that's a cool entrance. Oh, look, we have a Jack Sparrow as soon as you walk in. At least I think that's supposed to be Jack Sparrow. This restaurant has some really awesome decor in here. It's such a relaxed feeling, like you're at a beach restaurant. And I know that's kind of what they were going for, but this is really cool. I love this. All right, let's take a look at the menu and see what they've got here. All right, looks like a bunch of appetizers, hush puppies, onion rings, crab cakes. You can do some chicken wings and some oysters. They have po' boys and they have a raw food bar. Looks like they have here that you can do a pick your own catch or kind of build your own combo. And then they have the combo deals. And I think that we're probably gonna go with the combo D, which is a lobster tail, a half a pound of snow crab, half a pound of shrimp, and half a pound of the green mussels. That sounds delicious. That's definitely what we're gonna go with. Our waitress just came by to get our order, and you can pick your own sauce. Cajun, garlic butter, and lemon pepper. And then the du jour special is a combo of all of those. So that's what we got. We did the combo of all of them. They also have a very extensive cocktail menu with signature cocktails. They have shots, and they also have a beer and wine menu, which I ordered the Mick Ultra. And my mom decided to go with the oyster shooter because she does love oyster shooters. So I'm very excited to see how she handles this oyster shooter because there is hot sauce in it and it's probably going to be a little spicy, but I'm sure that it's also very tasty. So we'll see how that plays out for her here in a little bit. The oyster shooter is Tito's vodka with cocktail sauce, hot sauce, oyster, and a lemon garnish. Oh, that's awesome. Thank you.
Would you guys like an extra tray?
Yes, please. Thank you. That was fast, too. So what do we do? Just like pop it open? Oh my God. Whoa, look at all that steam. We just like tear it?
Or dump it.
Oh, I guess we would just like dump it over, right?
Yeah.
That's the mussels. Look how big that is. Did I do that right? Just like dumping it over in there? Okay, okay, thank you. Wow. I had to get bib ready because I think this is probably gonna be messy. So we have mussels, we have shrimp, we have crab legs, and then we have this big old lobster tail. Oh, this is hot. Oh, that's very hot. But look at this lobster tail. That is a big old lobster tail and it looks delicious. Oh, and everything smells so good on here. I'm super excited to dive in. this was finger looking good, so I had to lick my fingers. That sauce is amazing. I highly recommend doing that du jour combo sauce. Look at how amazing everything looks on here. Oh my gosh, we're maybe halfway, a little over halfway through, and I'm feeling stuffed, but I have to try this lobster. Let me get a pinch off of here of this lobster. And then just soak everything in that sauce. That sauce is so good. And cheers, all you sweet peas. Awesome Sunday fun day fun. Here's the fun part, the oyster shooter.
It's probably gonna taste really good mixed up like that.
You ready?
Mm-hmm. Cheers.
Oh no.
My tongue is on fire.
I told you it had hot sauce in it. So I paid $4 for the McUltra, $9 for the oyster shooter, and $45.99 for the Combo D special. So our bill was $64.31 and every bit worth the price. This meal was delicious and we are both stuffed. So now let's explore and see some of the awesome decor that they have around this restaurant. Look at this cool shark trash can. There is some football decor in here. I'm not too sure what that's about, but I think that this shark trash can is really cool. And I can't get away from the Finding Nemo stuff. Look at this awesome clownfish decor that they have above the bar. How awesome is this? I do want to say that the service here was phenomenal. All the ladies were so nice and our server was amazing. I highly recommend this restaurant. It's very unique with very, very cool decor all around the restaurant to look at. I can't get over how cool this sign is that's projected on the floor when you walk in. This is very unique and cool, especially for Greenville, South Carolina. I just think this is awesome. We just had a blast eating here, and I want to say that I did have to do some voiceovers because of the music that was playing the whole time we were here, but I enjoyed the music so much. It was so much fun. Now it's time for our Shark Week giveaway. I'm so excited. It's our first giveaway for the channel. So our giveaway winner is Ghostly1306. I will be contacting you directly from the Vivacious Views Instagram page. And congratulations on winning our first giveaway. We will be doing a YouTube giveaway in Thursday's video, so be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out on that awesome giveaway. It's something very unique that I'm excited about. Thank you all so much again for watching our videos and following us on Instagram and being a part of the Vivacious Views adventures. We love you all so much. You are all a bunch of sweet peas. Hit that like button if you like this video. Leave a comment down below if you'd love to see more of our awesome eats. And thank you all again for watching.